Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fade audio in and out in Premiere. So the first step is to add your audio on your timeline. So as you can see, I have this one here. Then you'll have to go to effects, and then here you'll have to go to audio transitions, and then go to crossfade. And at the beginning, if you want to your audio to fade in, you'll have to drag this constant gain over your audio. And then if you want to make it last longer, simply click on it and then here drag it like this. And as you can see, it's longer. Now if you want the audio to fade out, simply take this one here, exponential fade, and drag it at the end like this. So you can do the same thing. If you want this to start earlier, you can simply drag it like this. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.